I got started in photography about 15, 16 years ago, many moons ago. I loved capturing pictures, the feeling that you get from it, all the different parts of the picture, setting it up. I just absolutely adored it. It was fantastic. I have always been absolutely in love with pets, like be it dogs, cats, you know, anything along those lines, exotics like snakes and lizards. So I had started off with my own animals and taking pictures of them, and even taught my own dog the trick pose. So he will puff out his chest and it's really cute. So I thought this is, you know, something that I want to get into. Started you know, getting friends' pets involved in it as well, and just kind of bloomed from there. It's something that I just adore doing. So depending on what animal it is, the challenges can be things like, you know, they're not really up for it, the environment's different, they're, you know, they're out of their box of comfort. So it's finding those things and working with them, not against them. So things like, you know, cats that don't particularly like being outside of their own home when they've been indoors, you know, doing things like giving them their space, letting them ease into a photo shoot. It's, you know, the challenges are what makes a better photo shoot. We've had photo shoots with otters, we've done meerkats, things like that as well. All of these weird and wonderful pets that everyone has, it's been an incredible journey. So many funny stories from shooting pets, from getting bowled over by gigantic 95-kilogram dogs to being smacked in the faces with a camera after a collie who would throw in the ball behind me to try and get the shot of them running towards me, and the collie completely missed me, smacked me in the face with the camera. But it was worth it for the shot. We got the shot in the end. Always use a fast shutter speed and think about where the dog's going to be, not where the dog is at this moment in time. So if you're wanting to do a shot where you're jumping off a pier, you know, think about where the pet's going to be when they're jumping off the pier. The other thing is as well is make weird noises. The weirder the better. You know, the pets will look at you funny, but you'll get a great shot. And also the smelliest treats work the best. If it's something that somebody wants to get into, is absolutely jump into it feet first. You know, try it with pets that you know, because the ones that you know are going to do something a little bit more for you, and then work your way up to you know, pets that you don't know, ones that, you know, you're a little bit more out your comfort zone, big dogs, you know, little dogs, cats, things like that. You know, work your way into things that you're more uncomfortable with, but start off with ones that you know. There is never an animal that I would say no to doing a photo shoot with. We're currently setting up shoots with snakes, tortoises, all different kinds of lizards and things as well. It's all just getting the right place and the right time for them.